Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to get a free virtual private server for 1 year with AWS. Let's start right away by registering on the AWS platform. To do that, just click the first link in the video description, and once you're here, click create an AWS account in the top right. Now you need to enter your email address, a password and your AWS account name. Once you've done that, click on continue. Next you have to enter your contact information, so let's continue. Here you have to enter your billing information. If you don't have a credit card, just watch this video to get a VPS without using a credit card. Now let's just verify and continue. Here we have to enter our phone number and verify it. And the final step is to select a support plan. Just select the basic so it doesn't cost you anything and complete the sign up. Now let's go to the AWS console and log in with our email. To create a VPS, just search EC2 in the search bar and click on the first result. Now we need to start a new instance. To do that, just click on Start Instance here. Select the first Amazon Linux. And now click on Add Storage, because you can add up to 30 gigabytes of storage for free. And after you have done that, just click on Examination and create your server. And click Start to add a new key pair. For the type, just select RSA, give the key pair any name you want and download it. Once you've done that, you can start the instance. I just clicked Show Instance on the right corner, and as you can see here, our instance is running. To connect to your server, just copy the IP address of your server and enter it in your SSH program. For me, it is Mobile Xterm. A download link to it is in the description, of course. For the username, use ec2-user. Now we can click OK and connect to our server. So now I'm connected to my server, and if you want to install the pterodactyl panel to start your own hosting company on the server, watch this video next.